Good morning, Malco. I'm Kevin Daniels. Late last night, a car was found abandoned and on fire. Authorities say it's likely due to faulty spark plugs. In other news, the Homeowners Association...
Faulty spark plugs? Are you kidding me?
I know.
That was me.
I know.
You'd think after so many fires, we would get some recognition. What do they think, fires just start themselves?
I mean, sometimes the weather's so dry, it just...
No, they don't. What do we have to do to get some respect around here?
Maybe we should rebrand.
What?
I mean, maybe we're out of style. Think about it. How are we supposed to get any recognition if we're unrecognizable?
I think I have an idea.
Two unidentified individuals stole hundreds of dollars in inventory at JCPenney.
Right? What did I tell you?
Yeah, this just feels right. And it was really fun too. So, does that mean we're gonna become burglars?
And give up arson?
Maybe.
Let's find out. This looks good. No cars on the driveway. What you think?
That's a bright orange.
It's a bright future.
Aww.
What'd you find?
It's a puppy.
That is a grown man.
It's a weenie.
You can't take the dog.
But look at him.
I am looking at him. Things can be replaced. That's someone's child.
But look at his little face.
You know what? Take the switch.
A local dog is terrorized after two masked men invade its home and made off with a Nintendo Switch.
You're right. That is the move.
Yeah. So what's next?
Maybe we should rob a bank.
Yeah.
A scene straight out of a movie. Renaissance Bank has been robbed by two masked men. No hostages were taken and no one was harmed.
How did we get away with that?
I have no idea. How was there no one there?
I have no idea. Want to order a pizza?
Nah, I can't afford it.
Good evening, Malco. I'm Kevin Daniels. At the top of the night, a series of burglaries over the last few days is believed to be by the hands of the same two mysterious, masked men who are currently being referred to as the Flamingo Boys.
No way.
An arrest warrant has been issued for the dastardly duo. If you have any information regarding the identity or whereabouts of the suspects in question, alert your local authorities. Thanks, Chuck. In other news, hold on. I'm getting word that there is a break-in happening at the studio. It's the Flamingo
Boys! Yes, sir. Kevin, what's up, man?
Listen here, Kevin. The burning car last week, that was me. It's always been us. We're the ones that light stuff on fire and never get credit for it. Are we live?
Yeah. What is going on?